Here you can see VCC is added now, so click on OK. So double click here and just type here 5. So click on OK. So connection is completed. Now it's turn to move in Arduino IDE software so that we can program our Arduino Mega. So open Arduino IDE software. As you can see, Arduino IDE software is open now. So here you have to choose new tab and just make it bigger so that the screen should be visible very clearly. Here you have to delete pre-written code. Now just we have to design a code for our Proteus simulation. First we will just define LED pin. We have connected LED pin on pin number 13, so define here for that. Now we will define rain sensor pin. So we have connected raindrop on pin number 2 of Arduino Mega. So we will define here raindrop as on pin number 2. It's turn to move in white setup function. As you know, in white setup function the pin configuration is declared here. So with the help of pin mode we will just declare the pin for Arduino Mega. So here we will write for LED, as you know it is output device, so we will write here output for LED, and we will use raindrop as input, so that we will define here raindrop as input. As you can see, pin declaration is completed now. It's time to move in white loop function. In the white loop function we just write here what activity we want to perform on our Proteus software in the simulation of Arduino Mega. So we need to define here our flow chart of our Proteus simulation. So right here just we want that if raindrop senses the rain drops, so that LED should be high. So we will use here if condition. We will write just here, first of all we required to check input of raindrop sensor, so we will write here when the raindrop become high, so that our LED should be turned on. For that purpose just we need to read the signal coming from raindrop sensor. For that purpose we will read the signal with the help of digital read keyword. So here we will check whether the raindrop sensor is low or high. So we will just need to define here the condition for pin of raindrop sensor. So we need to check for pin number 2 as high, so we will write here high. If pin number 2 become high, so LED should be turned on, so we will write here digital write LED high. So what this line will do, when raindrop sensor will sense for raindrop, so it will turn LED high. What activity should be performed when there is no raindrop? LED should be low, so we will write here else condition. For that we will write here digital write LED low, so that when there will not be the raindrop, so LED should be turned off. So our programming portion is completed now. So let's compile this code and generate hex file. Here you can see we can't provide here space, so that this is giving error, so that just we need to remove space. For that purpose, just we will put here underscore. Again compile the code. As you can see, hex file is generated. Search for path for hex file. In your PC it may be different path. Here in my PC the hex file is generated by Arduino IDE software and path is provided as you can see here. The build number is 710. So it's time to upload the code to our Arduino Mega. For that purpose, open Proteus project and double click on Arduino Mega. Here you will get an option for program file, so click on folder option and choose hex file generated and click on OK. Now the program is uploaded to our Arduino Mega. So now we will run our simulation. To simulate our project, we need to click on run simulation. As you can see, the simulation is running now. So let's check it. Click on toggle. As you can see, when we are putting on toggle button, LED is turned on. Toggle means when it will we can't provide water on laptop, so that here toggle button is provided by software. So we need to just simulate from toggle. As you can see, it's working very fine. So our activity is completed. Thank you.